Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all, let me show you the very first way to check it using the secret code. So let's tap on the dialer, tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a made number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another option which will use the settings, and we will be also able to check the serial number. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to the system, tap on advanced, tap on about phone, and here we have to find, as you can see, the IMEI number is right here under the model and hardware. So here you can check the IMEI for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number of this device, just tap on model and hardware. And here we've got the serial number, it just pops out. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.